This is called Dune Bashing, and believe it or not, it comes with pretty much any safari package that you guys take. I believe this is where you hold this one. Have you ever heard of hold on to dear life? Right now. 3, 2, oh my God. It can go from 30 to 45 minutes. It's a lot of fun. My God. I hope you're enjoying.
I enjoy.
You're enjoying. That's the cameraman, ladies and gentlemen, saying, what the hell did I sign up for?
More.
And we are not just in any 4x4, ladies and gentlemen. We are in a Land Cruiser, the best of the best. Oh wow, oh my God. Jesus. Anyway, very luxurious. And again, all the tires have been deflated, which makes it so much more slippery and fun. There's something majestic and beautiful about being in a desert safari. This is where you belong when you're here. This is where you get to understand the beauty of the desert and the experiences that come with it. And we have really cool drivers, including the guy we have right now, who are specialized in this, so you will be safe. Mr. Faisal, hello! Thank you so much for this amazing experience. Just a quick question! Ya Muhammad Al-Arabi, just a quick question. How many years have you been doing this? 12 years he's been doing this, ladies and gentlemen.
To book your tickets, click the link below.